Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. Some friends have encountered some problems after updating their phones, and their feature is that there is no sound in Instagram stories. Even if you adjust the volume button, there is no sound, which is very worrying, and it is impossible to watch any video without sound. This video will show you how to fix it. Way 1. Turn off silent mode. We recommend fast changing this setting to test if you can hear Instagram stories no sound on silent mode. Find the mute button on the side and turn it off. Way 2. Turn off focus mode on iPhone. Focus mode mutes any annoying noises on your iPhone. It can also turn off the sound on your iPhone's Instagram story. As a result, if focus mode is turned on your iPhone, switch it off and try to play the Instagram story sound if there are Instagram stories with no sound on iPhone. Way 3. Use UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair is a powerful repair tool that can fix more than 150 phone problems. I suggest you try it. Now open it on your computer. Then connect your iPhone. Let's go back to UltFone iOS System Repair, and then click Start button. Here we click Standard Repair to proceed. This option will save your data and you can use it with confidence. Okay, the firmware has been downloaded. Just click the Start Standard Repair and wait for it to update your iPhone. Well done! It's so magical, right? So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.